traders, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today's date is, what is this, Thursday, July 30th, 2020. I was a little unsure of my date there. It's midday, it's 12:20 Eastern right now. I thought I'd stop in and I would like to share a couple of things with you, primarily on the scanner that we use, the Live Trading Alert scanner. My friend Ed from Live Trading Alerts, he announced to me yesterday that he is allowing 14-day trials on this, and I will be putting a link below the video there. So you can, if you're interested, you can go try it out for free. No strings attached. Free trial for 14 days. And throughout this video, I'm going to share a couple of things about the scanner that I like and how I might be using it. So stay tuned. Okay, so on this, I have several different alerts to looking for different things. This one I'm showing you now is stocks that's just simply near the 10 simple or the 15 simple, but it's also set up to look for stocks that's trending. So I don't have to do any work. Once I set up the screen, real easy. Coke started coming up, K-O, Coke, and I have bought some Coke just now because of this. So here we have a nice trend up, or a nice little pullback. We may be headed to this 49.88 area and then possibly up to 52.50. Earnings now till October, so I'm willing to take the shot on this trade. Nice hammer being produced here, so now I'll manage this trade based on this. One that I've been in, and it here, Target. I've been in Target, and currently up 4% now. I bought it as it was consolidating through here because it hit my alert, and today it's putting in a bullish engulf. We get through 126. I think 129 is in the cards, and certainly possibly higher here. So the cool thing about the scanner is you just don't have to do anything. You could just sit back and let it just work. And let's see. There we go. Just get rid of that alert price in there. There goes Target, popped up again. Good for me. XLP is coming up. XLP might be a trade for somebody. I don't know. Let's see here. Here's our. We have one that is set up looking for the trap. Let me make this a little bit larger so you might be able to see it. There you go. We have one set up for the trap, and here's what's coming up there. McCormick right now is moving up. That's right in that trap area, popping up here. So I've got my eyes on McCormick. Earnings not till October, so cool. We've already looked at XLP. Coke is also coming up. Here's one we haven't looked at, DXC. So DXC here, we've popped up, we're pulled back. It's alerting us right in here. It's inside the trap right now. I saw Target popped up again. So anyway, if anything, give it the 14-day trial. I know Ed will be over in the Live Trading Alerts trading room, showing you how to set it up. It really is easy, especially if you use one of the defined scans that Ed has already created. Super easy. Click on it, name it, you're done. Really cool. So anyway, I'm always available for questions. If you have questions about the scanner, just let me know. And I hope you do take advantage of the 14-day trial. Also, Ed asked me to mention that if there's any affiliates out there that would be interested in being an affiliate for Live Trading Alerts, just shoot Ed an email, or in fact, I'll see if I can get a link from him, and I'll post it down below for anyone that's interested in being an affiliate. for live trading alerts. Alrighty, I'll be back in just a minute. I'm going to shut the mic down and the recorder down, look at a few more charts, and I'll come back shortly. So one of our members here at Hit Run Candlesticks asked if I could help them create an alert that bounced off either the 10 or the 15 SMA. They also wanted it trending and a few other things in there. And that's what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to help them create it. So what I've done to make it easier, I'm just creating it, and then I will give them the code for it. And then if Ed over at Live Trading Alerts likes it, he may put it in as a favorite. He may or may not. I don't know, but I'll ask him about it. So anyway, VIAC has come up, bouncing off the 10 SMA or 15 SMA. And there is a percentage. I think I've got almost a percentage leeway, like 0.9%. So it really just has to be close to bouncing off one of those moving averages for this alert. And you can see how it's bouncing up here. Not a bad looking chart overall. XLP also came up, and it's doing just that. I'm not going to go after XLP. I'm just showing that, hey, it come up on the scan. You still have to, take a look at the chart, see if that's the chart you want. I may go back in. We'll see a few more alerts. I may go back in and tweak it so they've actually flattened out or pulled back a little more. I'll keep an eye on that. Dollar General here, that's bouncing, holding up. We'll call it a bounce. That's what we've asked it to do. So it's holding up on that 10 or that 15 SMA. Target, that's one I'm already in. That's looking awfully nice. Looking very nice on that. Up almost 5% now from when I earlier talked about it. So I'll come back when a few more pop up or I see something else on this scanner. I do want to remind you that check the links below. There is a 14-day trial from Live Trading Alerts. And Ed asked me to get that out for you, so I thought I would do that for him. He certainly does us a lot of favors, so just check it out. I'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, I've got my eyes on this Skyworks, SWKS. This is coming from one of our favorites, number 7 on the Live Trading Alerts menu. And it's a 3/8 trap, but it's breaking out. And here, let me put up the 3/8 trap. You see that? There we go. And you can see we're breaking out of that 3/8 trap. So I've got my eyes on this one. I also noticed that target we're in. Target, nice bullish engulf. It's also breaking out of the trap, already in it here. That's always a thumbs up. Let's see what some of these. Well, this is my big dog list for a couple people in here. I know they don't know this. This is just my entire watch list that I look at, about 450 stocks. I just call it big dogs. It originally started just some, bigger stocks, but I've just lumped them all into one now. And we're starting to see more green arrows rather than red arrows. That's pretty cool. And I also can see from another chart here that VXX is really starting to drop back a little bit. Yeah, I'm watching my FANG alert there, Sean. I still don't have any alerts on some of those big tech moving up. When I start seeing those, I'll get excited, get real excited. But I do see that we're moving up a little bit. FNGU, that's trying to break out. So far, this area right through here, 130.30, give or take, 131, right in that area, a few pennies in there. That seems to be a definite bit of resistance for some of those big tech charts right in here. So, hey, there goes SWKS. I guess if I'm going to get serious, I ought to get serious, hadn't I? I think what I might do is wait just a little bit, maybe toward the end of the day. Heck, it's just now coming up on, what, 1 o'clock East Coast time. So I think I'm going to wait on this just a little bit. We'll see what happens. Oh, let's see. What else do we have going on? FITB. FITB is starting to look pretty good. Let me knock this off right here. Take that off. So FITB, we're trending up. Here we broke out the trend indicator moving down. Now our trend indicator is green. Man, that SWKS is rocking. Yeah, look at that. VIX heading down. All right. Big VXX. QCOM still moving up. Okay, just a few more here. Our Bank of America might be coming back. I might have to get back in this. I got out of it today because in case the market really took a nosedive, I didn't want to be holding it, so I stepped out. I'll be more than happy to get back in here on Bank of America. That's also, Bank of America is also coming up on our RBB, rounded bottom breakout alert, right in through here. You can see that. BAC, all righty. Okay, everybody. You've probably heard me enough here today, so I'm going to step off the recording and the mic here. I want to wish everyone a great day trading. And again, if you're interested in giving live trading alerts a try for 14 days, check the link below. If you want to go to livetradingalerts.com website, you can send Ed a note and ask him questions about it. I'm sure he'd love to answer them for you. And I'm pretty sure right now he's over in the Live Trading Alerts trading room helping people. So if you're interested in checking that out, you can go over there. Go to the Live Trading Alerts trading room, or livetradingalerts.com, and you can get in the trading room there. All righty? All right, everyone take care. Good trading. Watch for our video blog tomorrow morning, a.m. before the market opens.